Standard Operating Procedures, Cybersecurity. Standard Operating Procedures, otherwise known as SOPs, provide direction to improve communication, reduce training time, and improve work consistency. SOPs should be documented to protect the company from the pitfalls of institutional knowledge. If a business process is only known by one employee, and that employee becomes unavailable, how is this process going to be performed successfully? SOPs should be written in as simple a style as possible for all to clearly understand the procedures. SOPs should include all steps of a given procedure. SOPs should not be overly detailed and should remain clear. If a procedure contains less than 10 steps, it should be presented in step format. If a procedure contains 10 steps or more, but few decisions, it should be presented in a graphical format or a hierarchical format. If a procedure requires many decisions, then it should be presented as a flowchart. After a procedure has been researched, documented, reviewed, and tested, it should be authorized by the process owner. The integrity of the SOP documents must be protected so that employees don't follow instructions that have been maliciously tampered with. The change management process must be defined so that the SOPs mirror the evolution of the business process. All revisions of the SOP documents must be reviewed and approved by the process owner. Operational change control. Change control. This is the internal procedure by which only authorized changes are made to software, hardware, network access privileges, or business processes. A change control process includes starting with a request for change, a description of the proposed change, justification why the change should be implemented, impact of not implementing the change, alternatives, cost, resource requirements and time frame. The change is then evaluated and if approved, implemented. A change control plan consists of and is developed after the change is approved. The components include a security review to ensure no new vulnerabilities are introduced, implementation instructions, rollback and/or recovery options, and the post-implementation monitoring. Change must be communicated to all relevant parties. Two categories of messages: messages about the change and messages how the change will impact employees. All actions should be documented throughout the implementation process.